a long indoor stay, we have headed out for the long drive to find nature, peace, and away from the crowd towards the most scenic spot destination close to Hyderabad. A clear blue sky filled with white fluffy cumulus clouds whose reflection can be seen on the water in the reservoir. Does this sound like one of the world's birth poems? Well, this is how you would also describe the mesmerizing view at the Pochama Sagar Reservoir located in Murkuk Mandal of Siddipet district, located around 50 km from Hyderabad. Konda Pochama Reservoir is inaugurated on May 2020 and we are visiting here for the second time on 28th June 2021 and we are lucky to find that there were very less crowd. People are allowed to move around on the periphery of the circular one. Cars and two-wheelers are allowed all the way to the one and the drive around the periphery of the reservoir is very simple. On the other side of the bund, you will find lush green as part of the horticulture and agriculture efforts at the location. The place doesn't have any cafes or shops yet and this is the blessing. I mean it has not become commercial tourist destination yet. Most families are carrying their own food and are setting up tents and picnic under the cool shade of a tree at a spot below this bund. This time we have found that the water has dried up and most of the land part has developed greenery in dam compared to last time. We found that people are getting down towards the dam crossing this concrete wall and we too found our way. This is not suggested for elderly or medical condition people. The sight of the blue sky and the blue water merging into the concrete bund far away is sure to leave you impressed. For those looking for a quick weekend getaway, Konda Pochama Sagar Reservoir is new favorite. The reservoir is spotlessly clean and is a serene destination with lush green farms on the other side and water on the other, and this makes it a picturesque location. The reservoir was built as a part of Kaleshwaram lift irrigation scheme and was inaugurated by Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हम लोग आए थे कोंडा पोचमा और ये हम नीचे उतरे हैं। यहाँ से जो पत्थर दिखते हैं नीचे उतर के हम लोग ये ग्रीनरी में आए हैं। बहुत ही सुंदर है। हेलो। यहाँ पे कितने मस्त ब्यूटीफुल ग्रास है, खिले खिले।
अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और लाइक जरूर करें। We started here in the afternoon post lunch and the best time to watch here is the sunset. The sunset time is very beautiful. Few people also carry food along with them and there are the fields near to this dam where they can sit and have food together.
हमारे पापा ने इतनी मस्त जगह घूम के लाई है।
देखिए हम देखते हैं।
This reservoir was constructed as part of the Telangana government's
सनसेट हो रहा है
effort to
दोस्तों,
make
देखो
Godavari
कितना
a
सुंदर है।
perennial river. Kondapochama Sagar Reservoir receives water from the Marpuk Surge Pool, which in turn receives water from Akkaram Water Pump House. 15 km long Kondapochama Sagar has a capacity of 15 TMC and has a water spread area of 17 square kilometer. This reservoir level is 618 meters. It has been designed to provide irrigation to more than 2 lakh acres through 13 canals.